So this little video is going to show you how to sew on the body, the legs, which I've stuffed with some toy filling, and the ears. So the ears go 16 rows back, or 16 rounds back. This is your first round, so just count up till you get to the 16th one. Is kind of, I've curved it round here so that you perhaps starting at the 15th round, the middle of the ear needs to match the middle of the eye. So if you just get your favourite darning needle, because as we all know, the sewing part is the most boring part when you're a crocheter, but it is necessary evil. And I just overstitch round, just catch hold, make sure you're catching most stitches, and I'm going to take that in a bit at the back. I think my yarn's probably too long, I've left it too long. So I'm just going to carry on going round here, and then we'll meet back right when we've got right round the other side. So next thing to do, I've got the body. So this is the back bit, and it's going to, the head's going to sit on it like that. So we need to attach here, and then we can sew over. Pull it quite tight as you go around and keep checking that it's even. There we go. Go into every stitch. Make sure it's on securely. And so if you just keep going round, you will end up with something like that. So I'll see you at the other end, and then we'll do the legs. So it's got his ears on, and I've just sewn two of the arms / legs and the leg of the bottom one on. So just to show you, you can put them where you want. It's totally up to you. I've decided to put mine on the side. Hopefully when he's got this one on, he will stand up. So just sew them on. I am not an expert sewer, so I'm just kind of doing an overstitch, but it's working. It's not pretty if you look close enough, but it's doing the job. So if you have loved this video, I would really appreciate a little subscribe, and tag me in Insta at the Crochet Web. Show me your little critters that you've made from my videos. I would love that. We've got jellyfish, we've got an octopus, I've got crochet plants, all sorts, and I've got so much more that I want to put on this channel. So hopefully you're learning with me, and I would love you to share what you make with me. So let's just finish this off and see if he does stand up at the end. This is going to be a gift for my daughter, who loves elephants. Her birthday's next month, so that's worked out well. And just a couple more stitches, make sure it's secure. She does have a dog, so hopefully he won't get hold of it. And let's just finish that off. So we have one elephant, doesn't quite stand up. Oh, there we go. Yay! I'm very happy with that. I hope you've made something just as cute and 3D and gorgeous. What a showstopper. Love him. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.